Oh, that Overstock.com. I don't spend a whole lot of time shopping online, and frankly, Overstock.com has always bugged me a little bit. It seems like every time I do a web search for a pillow or a desk, I get Overstock ads for the next 10 days. I don't know, until they finally get the cache cleared out. But I'm intrigued by their commitment to cryptocurrency. Hey everyone, it's Mike on Decentralized TV, and in this crypto news bit, we're going to take a look at what Overstock.com has planned for us. So here's why Utah's Overstock.com is going all in. Well, that's the first piece of news. I probably shouldn't have buried that lead. Yes, they're going all in on blockchain and cryptocurrency. Overstock shares peaked in early January, just weeks after Bitcoin reached a high of almost $20,000 in mid-December. In August, the company's shares again surged following the big Bitcoin drop, more than 15%, when a Hong Kong private equity firm invested millions in the company, the majority of which went to Overstock's cryptocurrency unit, T0. It's very interesting to me that Overstock has a cryptocurrency unit. While they're taking cryptocurrency, I think it raises the question a little bit of, do they have bigger plans for it? And although Overstock is known as an online retailer of interior decor and browser spamming, CEO Patrick Byrne recently wrote in a letter to company shareholders that the e-retailer will spend less on its retail unit and focus on developing more non-traditional means of growth and profitability. Well, that's really interesting because Overstock.com is a retail unit. They sell things, and I'm kind of curious. What do they think are more traditional means of growth and profitability? To many, Overstock has always been a technology company first, I guess before a retailer, so it makes strategic sense to go all in on cryptocurrency and blockchain, the digital ledger where cryptocurrency transactions are recorded. Wow, you think maybe their experience with cryptocurrency and using it transactionally has given them some ideas about how to help others do the same thing? Overstock claims it was the first major billion-dollar company to allow customers to purchase items using Bitcoin in 2014. Now the company accepts over 50 different types of cryptocurrencies, according to Jonathan Johnson, president of Medici Ventures, a wholly owned subsidiary of Overstock that invests in blockchain technology. We think blockchain is the next revolutionary, transformative technology. Well, that sounds a lot like something our Chinese president said recently. Like we were early on in the wave of e-commerce and the internet, we think we're even earlier on what we think will be a tidal wave of blockchain revolution. So this, I think, is a very interesting comment from somebody who is deep in the industry and has been involved in actually transacting cryptocurrency. He sees something coming. Kind of says that Bitcoin is here to stay, don't you think? Overstock, get this, currently converts half of all of its cryptocurrency revenue in dollars and keeps half as Bitcoin. Well, there's where some of the Bitcoin is. Sometimes using it to pay employee bonuses, probably mostly just watching it and hoping for it to go up in value as they do. They sound like they're becoming, maybe an exchanges in the future from Overstock.com. Right now, only 0.25% of Overstock's total purchases are bought with cryptocurrency, but that's still somewhere between 30,000 and 400,000 a week, depending on the time of year, Johnson said, though he expects those numbers to grow significantly in the coming years. Go Overstock.com. You are positioning yourself to be a leader in the transactional cryptocurrency market. In fact, Johnson believes everyone, well, this guy is bullish. I like this Johnson. He believes everyone will be using blockchain a lot more in the next 5 years than they may expect. Blockchain will make life easier in the same way the internet made life easier by allowing for a free and frictionless flow of information. For those that are calling it a fad. The internet may have been a fad to them in 1988, he said. That is really kind of interesting news to me, because if there are other retailers that see the potential the way that Johnson does for everyone to be using cryptocurrency, particularly online, then we have a sea change coming for the way we buy things. So Overstock may be leading the way into the collection of cryptocurrency in exchange for their products. It sounds like they have a lot more planned. So what do you think? Are we going to see more retailers hodling that Bitcoin the way apparently Overstock is, maybe saving it for later? Let me know down in the comment section below. If you like this news bit, smash the like button hard and head over to the Bitcoin Pub and leave your comments there too. Join our community on Patreon and chat with us on Discord.